the volume sounds good on this, but kind of my first try. I just got a phone mount, and yeah, I just kind of wanted to do a little review on the Toyota Crown here now that she's up and running good. Yeah. Mysterious sound I just heard, but oh well. So I've had this car for about, got it end of 2017. I've had it probably 6 or 7 years now, which seems crazy to me because it doesn't seem like it's been that long. But yeah, I only paid $6,000 for this car, if you can believe that. It's absolutely insane. It's automatic, obviously. Toyota Crown 2000. It's got the 1JZ-GTE VVTi. Sounds pretty nice with the turbo there. Not sure how well the phone's gonna pick up the audio, but I'll try to give it a bit here. Also can't be too hard on it right now. It's been leaking quite a bit of oil from a couple different spots. Doing the front main seal. We're doing fucking, excuse my language, but every seal is basically getting replaced on the engine here, so that's gonna be nice to have done. And honestly, I think this is one of the most perfect JDM cars you could import. The price has gone up quite a bit in the last couple of years, but I mean, to get a 1J in a rear-wheel drive vehicle, and it is so smooth. It's the smoothest car I've ever driven, by far. Honestly, I have no complaints about it. It's leaking oil, but I mean, for a 20-year-old Toyota, and I'm sure it's sat in Japan for a little bit, yeah, to just be leaking oil, that's pretty awesome. And in 7 years, all I've had to do is just basic regular maintenance, and yeah, now some oil leaks, but you can't go wrong with the Toyota Crown Athlete. One of my favorite things about this car is people always ask when I see them is, what, this is a Toyota? What kind of Toyota? And I don't know, it turns a lot of heads when I'm out driving it, and I get a lot of people curious about it, which is awesome. Makes me super happy. Pretty much any day I'm driving this car, someone makes my day by giving me a compliment and just wanting to learn more about it. So this car's been nothing but smiles for me. And hearing that little su-tu-tu every day doesn't get better than that. Yeah, so today I literally just got the phone mount now so I can make this video, and on my way to Canadian Tire, a girl pulled up next to me and she's like, oh, I love the car, was asking questions about it, and that made me super happy. So she said she had a 350Z, not a fair lady, just a 350, but still definitely one of my favorite cars out there, JDM or not. Fuck, this road's bouncy, eh? Folks, a little su-tu-tu. Whew. That never gets old. 1,000 speed bumps to go over coming into the park here, but all right, we just got back to my place. It's raining super hard. Might be able to hear it or see it on the window there, but it was super nice to get out and take the Crown for a little ride again before she goes into the shop and pretty much gets an entire rework, I would say. Not rework, but refresh. That's the word I was looking for. Yeah, I'm super excited for that. Just to give me that peace of mind that, you know, nothing's leaking, nothing, none of the belts are too cracked or anything. So that'll be awesome. Yeah, aside from that, I think next thing I'm looking at is getting some bigger wheels. Probably wheel tire setup, obviously, go a little bit bigger, a little bit thicker. She does get squirrely in the back, so it'll be nice to have good traction back there. Yeah, coilovers eventually too down the line would be sweet to get lowered a bit. The one kind of shitty part about that is the park that I live in has a lot of speed bumps, so I can't go too low. But I mean, you don't want it too low anyways, so it might not be the worst thing. But yeah, thanks guys for tagging along. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be trying to post a lot of content on the Crown. I know there's a lot of people out there that would love to see it. Same with one of my buddies has a Skyline R33, so those videos are going to be pretty awesome too. And then another one of my buddies has a Bug-Eye STI, so the video ideas we got are endless. We can be uploading a lot of content here, and I think you guys will love it. So hit that subscribe button, like, comment if you have any ideas on what else you'd like to see from the Crown. And yeah, thanks guys. Have a good one.